Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're tackling how to diagnose and repair hydraulic braking systems.
We'll walk through these 5 simple, practical steps you'll use in the workshop every single day. Step 1. The system. You've got to understand how the parts work together before fixing anything.
Hydraulic pressure is what actually pushes the master cylinder, lines, and pads to stop the car.
Why does this matter? Just one tiny fluid leak can completely wipe out your stopping power.
Step 2 is WHS. Brake work has some serious workshop hazards we absolutely must control. You'll deal with real risks like corrosive brake fluid, nasty dust, and dangerous high-pressure lines. Always release that pressure safely before opening any lines to avoid nasty chemical burns.
Step 3 is diagnostics. You need a clear testing game plan before turning any wrenches.
Got a soft pedal? Or does it travel too far? We pressure test to find out.
Proper testing is the only way to tell a leaking line from just worn-out brake pads.
Guessing is super dangerous. Getting the diagnosis wrong can literally lead to total brake failure.
Step 4 is precise repair. Every single part you replace must match exact manufacturer's specs.
Using the wrong brake fluid is a huge mistake. It quickly corrodes internal rubber seals.
Never leave trapped air in the lines. It causes a soft pedal and terrible braking power.
And that's exactly why applying the right torque to fittings is totally non-negotiable to prevent leaks.
Step 5. The road test. We have to confirm everything works perfectly under real driving conditions.
The car needs to stop smoothly with a nice firm pedal without pulling to the side.
Always write down exactly what you did on the repair order. It's a strict legal requirement.
Unbalanced brakes are a hazard. Ask yourself, would you trust this repair on your family's car?